Hi folks, this is Mike from TradeStalker with a video recap from Monday, the 8th day of January. This morning we had a slightly lower open Monday morning and quickly went down under our initial support area. Cleared that out, but they immediately turned right back up again. First 10 minutes. They made a high right around the open and then rolled over, made another low under support again. But again, this is a higher low, and they turned back up, went through this zone. We made a higher high here. We were looking for a pullback about to be somewhat symmetrical. They pulled back and then they finally held this zone, and then turned up here. This third time was a decent buying opportunity here. We ran up and it stopped shy here of the of resistance because they were tinkering around with this high here at the moment. But as they went sideways, we kept holding dynamic support here, and then we started a run. And on a 1 minute chart, we had very good guidance all the way up here. Went sideways just under. This is the 88. I had 88 and a half listed as in the resistance table. 48.5. And I gave the updated resistance at 48.5 as both a target and a potential reversal area. So they got to 48 here exactly. Pullback stopped one tick shy here. We're looking for this to come back to 45 area because this is also symmetrical support and also old resistance, new support. Held, another bounce, hit 48 and a quarter here. Rejected that again for a pullback. So again, these numbers here are in no man's land, and still we're able to get good areas to trade off up here. So if that's what you're looking for, good low risk entry zones, for both sides of the market, and alongside with guidance from me intraday. And are going to get our daily training session for ebook buyers started up again this week. So come join us if you're not already on board, and good trading tomorrow. Have a great evening.